Hey guys, welcome back. As you might have seen just right before Christmas from Shining 3D Systems, I got their Einscan Pro 2X Plus 3D scanner as well as the industrial pack, which I will use to scan the KTM 390 and the KTM 690 for the clients, and of course this one for myself for the flat tracker. Besides that, I have a few other projects that I'm gonna use the 3D scanner for, or if you guys have projects for me, just send me an email. But first, let's see what's in and try it on the computer. So right now I have it plugged in, it's offline, and we're going to see if it's going to connect. If it does, I hope it all works well. Yes, and then we can go into calibrating. This is quite boring, so I'll do a time lapse. But basically what you do is that you have this plate, and this is where the tricky part comes in. You have to scan this plate in multiple ways to have a very nice calibration and get the best accuracy on your 3D scans. And so that we will do right now. And as you can see, we have a definition for accuracy of 0.017, which is insanely accurate and will work for what we're gonna do. So with the scanner now calibrated, we have three options on scanning. These are a fixed scan, a handheld HD scan, and a rapid scan. We will actually use all three because they all have their specific way of what you would use them for. I like to use the fixed scan for most parts that I can actually, that I scan because it has the highest accuracy. And one of the nice features with the industrial pack is that you can put it up on a turning table, which spins around, and with the scan fixed to a tripod, it will make a really nice scan, which I've done in the past as well, with the rocker arms. So for the KTM 390, I've got a bunch of these scans that I need to do for small parts. We're gonna do a rapid scan for the entire frame, so it'll just be a handheld scan. So you just be walking around and scanning it. We might not use the HD scan on this particular project. Maybe later on, if we want to do something really cool, and see if we have a part that is hard to scan. Basically, it's basically a rapid scan for products that are really hard to scan when you're doing a handheld, because it loses its reference points, and that's what you would use those for. So a perfect case for that will be for the 390 and scanning the gas tank, because it will not work with the normal rapid scan. So let's get to it and start scanning a few things, and let's start with something small. So that's basically how easy it is for small parts. So here we have a little gas gap. So right now we will post-process this, and we will clean it up a little bit and send it off. Right now it's a little bit smoother, so it looks a lot better, and this is fine. So it's on to the next. now with a few of those small scans done, it's time to scan the bike. Well, so the scan's done. I hope I can show you this properly because I'm filming with left and panning with my right hand. Nevertheless, as you can see, we have the blue scan, which is already resized and smoothened out, so it's not that big of a file anymore. Because that's also the second reason why I didn't scan like the swing arm completely or the front fork, because I just don't need it, and it would just create for a very large file, which will make progress slow instead of speeding it up. Which what I do need, and which I have, are all the holes and all the alignment for a new body kit. I've scanned this on a little bit of a more raw resolution than with the other parts, mainly because I can easily measure the sizes of the holes. I just need their locations, and I'm using the scan as a reference to design the frame. So I'm not using this scan as the exact thing that I'm scanning off, or reverse engineering the new body kit off. So that's it. That's how I 3D scan. If you might just be interested in having a 3D scan, or you have a particular project for which you would need one, or you would like one, just feel free to contact, and maybe I can do something for you, or I can help you. So yeah, that will be it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.